Testing.
Testing.
Is it working?
Yep.
Is it?
Yeah,
Is
it's
it perfect?
yep. All right.
Continue.
Trying to see how to work this thing out. Oh man, I don't feel like talking right now. It's not good. All right. Hold on. I'm not feeling it right now. The sun and the wind is not that great, but
That's good.
ready?
You don't have to just say. I don't even know what to say.
I don't know, because I feel like just start it.
Just sorry, you always start. Just say.
Yeah.
Hey, how's it going? No, fuck. How do you start it?
Hurry.
Well, how do you do it? What's going on, guys? Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing this stuff.
Yeah. What's going on? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm not a big fan of doing this, but we're going to tackle multiple things at the same time. So first things first, we're going to be changing out the oil on this bad boy. Every time I turn on the car, it shows a little icon saying it's change the oil. So you know what, I got to do it. Typically I change it every 5,000 or 6,000 miles, but you know what, if it goes past 6,000, it's no big deal. I mean, the oil's still good, but whatever, the computer says you got to do it, so I guess we got to do it. But nevertheless, we're going to do that. Also, we're going to change out the cabin air filter for that thing, and we already jumped the gun a little bit. And here's the old one right here, and as you can tell, it is pretty filthy. I mean, I know it doesn't look too bad on camera, but look at all that stuff in there. It's disgusting. Anyways, we got that taken out, and we're going to replace it with this one from Wix. And don't worry about the brand, you guys. Just get whatever you want. They all work the same, especially when it comes to these little things like this. And here it is. Hold the camera for me, dude. Nothing special, just a typical filter. And like I said, it doesn't really matter about the brand. So that's that. And then on the Raptor, let's go over here real quick. Oh, let me go this way. On the Raptor, we're going to be changing out the... Man, I should have done that. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. I was, going like 100 miles an hour that day when I was changing out the spark plugs. So we're going to change them out with these, just regular spark plug wires. And just getting rid of the old ones. Like I said, this truck has never been touched. I'm pretty sure the owner never did that, so we're going to take care of that. And with that, I'm pretty much not going to go into detail of how to do these things because it's boring. It's not that fun. So what I'm going to do is just set up the camera, do some time lapses, and just go from there. And with that, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel, give me a big thumbs up, and then until next time, I'll see you later.